Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Cardano ADA, make it or break it down from this target that we will have right now that we are holding actually. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/Mind Your Crypto and you can cancel anytime you like. You get an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. But it doesn't stop there. You will also get personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, market updates. I will be there every day for you, and of course manual signals with automated buying and selling opportunities. And hit the like button and subscribe, join our Telegram group chat as well. Let's proceed quickly into a non-biased technical analysis. And right now we are at the 2.11. We found a little bit of a volume on the Bitcoin right now, and as you can see, it is hold it or break down. We need to hold this target right here, 2.10, 2.11, around there. Tether USD is a very strong support level, as it is the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement for the short term, starting from this bottom, ending up to this top. You can see 4 days after, and we are looking for the short-term price targets. Okay, so we need to hold this line right here in case we want to have a swing high maybe to the upwards, but we have a lot of obstacles through it. We will go in every detail about Cardano. Let's go a little bit onto the MACD. You can see we had a bearish cross. We are going a little bit down and the price goes down as well, so the MACD doesn't look so good for the time being. Okay, what we hope to see though is having some higher low pattern. For example, here a bullish recross and going above this red line right there will be very good. Let's go to the 4-hour frame. I will remove all the drawings. We need to see the 20-day MA, 50-day MA, and of course the risk metrics. Right now on the Fisher transform we are beyond this blue line right here, and when we go beyond this blue line we are into an extreme oversold situation, and that is good. On the 4-hour frame the stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation, so we have many chances of holding the line except Bitcoin crashes. Okay, if this happens, then we won't hold the line. 20-day EMA right now and 50-day EMAs are selling pressures. EMAs, you can see that 20-day and 50-day, and with every time we are going above the 50-day EMA, we are having a huge sell pressure. We need to sell immediately when we go above those lines. That is because we are on a downtrend. Okay, and when we are on a bearish market right here, every time we go above the 50-day EMA, we need to sell. Okay, this is like a selling order. Let's go now to the ADA on the daily frame. We might be seeing 20-day MA crossing down the 50-day MA, we might be not. Either way, it won't be so bearish. You see, before we had a bearish cross, we went a little bit further down and then upwards. So it doesn't mean that by crossing down the 50-day MA that we will go all the way down. It just means that it is not safe to trade in at this moment. Okay, at this moment it is not safe to trade, and the daily frame doesn't look so good. The candlestick pattern right here doesn't look so good for ADA. If you can see here on the daily frame, we do not hold any oversold situation. Even the RSI is between 30 and 70, and of course Fisher transform, stochastic RSI are in their default, in their normal numbers between 20 and 80. You can see here the blue and the orange line is between 20, the bottom line, and 80 for the stochastic RSI as well. Let's see if we have anything for the SSL hybrid. We had a buying opportunity here on 23rd September, not a selling opportunity yet, and we have lost a little bit. So right now I want to see whether we will be having a selling opportunity or not, or do we think that with the SSL hybrid this indicator thinks that we are going even further upwards. We will see about that though. Let's go to the ADA Bitcoin chart and discuss a little bit about ADA, as we lost here the 0.618, but the most important line is this for ADA Bitcoin chart. Okay, it is not the 0.618 but the 0.405030. Okay, this support line for ADA Bitcoin chart. In case we lose this, then we might be getting further down into the 0.404885 for ADA Bitcoin chart. Okay, but we are in an extreme oversold situation. Apart from the RSI, if we had the RSI below 30, then probably ADA would be having a nice sweet pump up to the upwards. Okay, so let's see a little bit the 50-day EMA and the 20-day EMA on the ADA Bitcoin chart on the daily frame as well. You can see that we are holding the 50-day EMA. Here we have gone beyond, but on the ADA Bitcoin chart, we are holding the 50-day EMA. So we are pretty fine on the ADA Bitcoin chart on the daily frame. However, be careful a little bit for now. Okay, let's go to ADA USDT chart. You can see that we need to hold on the short term above the 2.11 Tether USD. Going down, I believe we will go to the 2.02. Okay, on the 4-hour frame, we have an oversold situation on the stochastic RSI, Fisher transform, and of course on the commodity channel index as well. So 3 out of 4 risk metrics are into an oversold situation. Only a crash can get us a little bit further down for now, as Bitcoin found the 0.618, a little bit of a buying pressure right now. That's why we saw a little bit of a further volume. We will see how we will close this 4-hour frame, though it is not like we are bullish right now. Be careful on how much you trade and how much you invest in right now. It is not safe to get all your money into the market right now that we are having Bitcoin. However, it will be nice for ADA to hold the 0.618 like the Bitcoin did back on today. Okay, so it will be good. Holding the 0.618 will get us afterwards to 2.80 and maybe 2.24, or maybe we found a little bit resistance around this area where the 50-day EMA will land. Okay, maybe we find resistance on the 50-day EMA. We will be seeing about that. All that matters is to hold above the 2.11, because if we do not, then the next price target, you know, it is the 2 Tether USD, and it seems like the 1.95 to 2 Tether USD is a very strong support level, just like 1 Tether USD was back on these days. Okay, 1 Tether USD, you can see for Cardano, was a very strong support level. It couldn't go beyond, and of course right now the 1.95 to 2 Tether USD around there seems like a very strong support level as well. Closing above will get us to the next price targets we have right now, probably. Okay, probably this will happen. Of course, do not recklessly trade right now, as things are looking good for Bitcoin now on the short term, on the very few next hours, but in general we hold a very high risk again, and we have not established yet our way upwards. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription to take easy profits and learn technical analysis, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.